Caleb Mugiyo separated with his first wife who left their kids in his care. In 2001, Mr. Mugiyo married a second wife and they decided to take his children from the first wife to stay with the step-grandmother, who is mother to the step-mom. According to Mr. Mugiyo, the step-grandmother is alleged to have used a needle to prick Precious on her left thigh. The grandmother is also accused of ill-treating the children. Mr. Mugiyo this year decided to take back his children, but he was surprised to see his daughter Precious walking with a limp. Upon cross-examining his daughter, Precious opened up and confided in his father what had transpired at her grandmother's village in Murewa.
Saka mwana anotaka baiwa netsono akanzi nambuya wacho usafukure musoro ukafukura musoro ndokuita sendo kuuraya vanga vakabata mugoti ndo vanoti ndo vagara vachishandisa kumurova.
So from the beginning of January this year, Precious' wound has been producing pieces of wire rods. The wire rod can actually be seen by a naked eye. When it starts protruding from the wound, one can actually hold it and pull it out.
Mazuva ekutanga ndaitya ndaiteta kuibvisa asi semunhu anga aripo ari iye hapana zvandaikwanisa kuita.
Mr. Mugiyo, who resides in Buhera, has since taken his daughter to Murambinda Hospital, where she was examined by doctors. He has also tried prophets, but they have not been able to stop the mysterious wires from coming out of the wound. Mr. Mugiyo said he is now confused and is running out of ideas of how best to help his daughter. He has reported the matter to the police. Zimbabwe Republic Police National Spokesperson, Senior Assistant Commissioner Charity Sharamba, confirmed that the matter has indeed been reported and the father has been asked to go and get a medical request. She said police are not investigating witchcraft allegations, but they are looking into assault charges and the nature of threats that were made to the child by a step-grandmother.
As regards witchcraft, I'm afraid we don't believe in that as police, but we are going to proceed by looking at how she was assaulted, because she's alleging that her stepmother's mother actually pricked her with a needle and told her not to reveal to anyone.
Those who believe in witchcraft say it is the ability to exercise some magical skills, though most people believe that witchcraft is a complex concept that varies culturally and is therefore difficult to define with precision. Today, however, even scientists are beginning to believe in the existence of witchcraft. In fact, it is documented that some scientists are even studying the spiritual powers and mysteries associated with witchcraft. As for Precious' case, judge for yourself. And those who feel they can assist the father in any way, your help is welcome. Janet Munyaka, Zbc News, Harare.